out your reading assignments. We will discuss ways of developing comprehension with 6 new strategies.
I don't have mine. I left mine at home. Thank you.
Please take out your pen and paper, too, while you're at it. Thank you. Warren.
I don't have any pen and paper neither. I'm sorry.
Here. Thank you, Annalisa. The summer of 1988 was hot and dry in much of the United States. Above the plains and prairies, the sun blazed out of an ever-blue sky. Baking fields and withering crops, ponds and streams dried up. Rivers shrank. In places, the very earth cracked open as underground water supplies dwindled away. Further west, forests were tender dry. Sometimes skies grew dark with storm clouds. Thunder growled and lightning crackled, but little rain fell. Okay, for this next section, we're going to do a popcorn read. So you guys jump in whenever you feel the need to read. Who would like to start? Annalisa, thank you.
In Yellowstone, the fire season started on May 24th, when lightning struck a tree in the northeastern part of the forest. The fire stayed small.
Rain fell later in the day and put it out. That was what usually happened.
In Yellowstone, winters are long and cold. Summer is short and often rainy. Many people thought you couldn't see the fire to the forest if you tried.
On June 23rd, lightning started a fire near Shoshone Lake in the southern part of the park. On June 25th, another bolt of lightning started a fire in the northwest.
These fires did not go out, and no one tried to put them out. Park policy was to let wildfires burn unless they threatened lives or property.
Rain fell later in the day and put it out. That was what usually happened. On June 23rd, lightning started a fire near Shoshone Lake, in the southern part of the park. On June 25th, another bolt of lightning started a fire in the northwest.
These fires did not go out, and no one tried to put them out. Park policy was to let wildfires burn unless they threatened lives or property.
Now that we have read a section, you each have a bookmark that lists all 6 strategies, and each of you will be given a task card. Each task card will have a specific strategy that you will use while we are reading the new passage. Answer the question that is on your task card related to what we have just read. You have 2 minutes to get it together, and then you will discuss this in your group. Now you may discuss in your group, please.
It says the fire season started because I just don't get it.
Because about the lightning in it.
But they have a such thing as the fire season. I never heard of that.
Because it's really hot and dry.
Oh, okay.
My answer kind of fire. You have the question? Next is summarize.
Okay, summarize. What we read so far was about when fire started and the park policy, and you couldn't turn them out, and rain stopped fires and stuff like that.
Visualize.
I really like that patch. You know, when it started talking about the fires and stuff. I like fire. I'm like a pyromaniac.
All right, my word was summarize. And if I had to summarize what we read about in this paragraph, it would just be like, if there was some type of fire, and in Yellowstone, there was many of them. If there was a fire, it would just have to keep going because that was park policy. You had to let it burn, unless it, bother the civilians or the property or something.
My word was terrified. I didn't understand the word that meant withering, and we had to clear it up. So I looked at the meaning of it, and it meant causing to shrivel up and dry out.
My word was predict, and I predicted that they will put the fire out naturally, or they might just have to put it out with water.